Hi kids, today I'm going to do something very special. It's a butterfly. You know what is approaching? Summer. And in summer we have lots and lots of butterflies with different colors. So come, let me show you how to do this beautiful butterfly. Well, you can see we have a stencil of a butterfly which I'm going to give it to you. You can Xerox it and then cut it out of red or whatever color paper you want. Place it on another A4 size paper which is yellow in color or any other color. So I'm going to place my butterfly on this and stick it down. What you need after that is two colored straws, some red paper, small papers like this and also like this, and if you have punched round circles of different colors, that would help to put spots on the butterfly, see, in different sizes. Then if you have Google eyes or ticklies, that'll be a plus point. And of course you need your scissors and Fevicol. Let's go. We first take our butterfly which you cut out, place some gum on the back and right around the butterfly. Don't put too much of gum, just put an outline of gum. Then with this long paper, can you see in my hand, you got to turn it, and what we're going to do is stick it down. We're going to make circles for the body of the butterfly. So that's one circle. Can you see? Like this, you're going to make 3. See, I have done 3 of the circles, and with the bigger paper, I'm making one more big circle for the head. Put a little gum and stick it down, make it a round kind of a tube. Can you see? It looks like a tube. Now what you got to do is place these for the body of the butterfly. So here goes. I'm placing one and sticking it down, one behind the other, 2, and the third one. You even can put gum here and stick it, it's no problem. It'll come faster for you. So you have the body of the butterfly and now the head, which is right on top. The head will be a little bigger than the rest. Can you see? Once that is done, take your Google eyes and place them on the topmost one of the tubes. 1 and 2. Here's the butterfly eyes. Now what is left is to put the dots. So there we're going to put the dots. So I've got a big circle. I'm going to put one dot here and another one here with the same size. I'll show you what you can do. Put some gum on the circle and stick it halfway through. Doesn't it look nice? There you are. Then with your small circles, you can place them and make them look colorful, because a butterfly has many colors and many spots on them. So we're going to do just that. Have you seen? Now we got to do it for the top one. So we put one big spot here. Sorry, the next one there. Purple spot and a purple spot. Now with the smaller ones, I'm going to put them inside. Can you see? Can you see how you like it? Different colors you can put. Now what is left is the straw. Cut into half. Press the straw down and turn it with your pencil to make the antennas. So there you have one. One here. Can you see? And the second one, press it down again. See how I'm pressing it down and turning it. And there we have a beautiful butterfly. Make one and send it to me. Kids, I hope you're going to have fun. Ask your dad or your mom to get the stencil done. Bring it home, cut it out, and be ready to do your beautiful butterfly. Have a great day.